In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get different languages in ElevenLabs, step by step, so you can generate speech in the language you need without confusion. This is really useful if you create content for multiple audiences, work on translation projects, or just want to make your voiceovers sound more natural in another language. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and go straight to the Text-to-Speech tab on your dashboard. This is the main area where you can turn written text into audio. Once you're inside, you'll want to look for the model drop-down. This is where ElevenLabs lets you choose which speech model you want to use. And for different languages, this part matters a lot. Now select one of the 11 multilingual models from the drop-down. A great option is Eleven Multilingual v2 because it is designed to handle multiple languages more effectively. Choosing a multilingual model is the key step here, because it gives the platform the ability to process your text in a wide range of languages, instead of limiting you to just one. After you choose the multilingual model, the next step is to type or paste your translated text into the text box. Make sure the text is already in the language you want to generate. If you're using a translation from somewhere else, double-check that it sounds natural and accurate before moving on. The better your text is, the better your final voice output will be. Next, select a voice that naturally speaks that language. This is really important because not every voice will sound equally good in every language. Picking the right voice can make a huge difference in how realistic and polished the audio sounds. If the voice matches the language well, your final result will sound much more fluent and professional. Once your model, text, and voice are all set, click Generate. ElevenLabs will process your request and create the audio for you. In just a few moments, you should hear your text spoken in the language you selected. If it doesn't sound quite right, you can always go back, adjust the text, try a different voice, or switch models until you get the result you want. And that's it. That's how to get different languages in ElevenLabs. As you can see, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. Go to text-to-speech, choose a multilingual model, enter your translated text, pick the right voice, and generate the audio. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.